Hello friends, let's take a look how the new Lamborghini Aventador will look like. Starting with the front, the small LED daylight running light are just provisional units as this car actually lacks any other lights at the front. The camouflage hits a sharp lighting cluster with a more aggressive and narrow shape comparing to the Aventador. The back, Lamborghini tries to fool us with stickers mimicking actual tail light, but the truss is the real cluster height underneath. Judging by what we see, the tail lights will be Y-shaped and will have a very sleek design. We can also see an interesting rear spoiler with trapezoidal elements above the quad exhaust system, sitting high on the rear fascia. Those huge pipes are mostly likely connected to a V12 engine, as Lamborghini has already confirmed the Aventador replacement will rely on a 20-cylinder mill. It will be the brand's only brand new V12 engine and will certainly feature some sort of electrification. That means it will be plug-in hybrid or something else. The world premiere of this model will be in the 2023. Please subscribe to the channel and put a like on the video.